All right, this is part 3. I'm going to be soldering the wiring on the turn signal. So hopefully you can see that. So I bought a pigtail. This is the new pigtail that I bought for the Tesla. And this is the other end. And this part here, basically there's a centerpiece and there's a little wire around it, a white wire. On top of that, there's a piece of foil that I already took off. And around that, there's going to be mesh, called mesh. So basically, center, and then there's an outer wire. So I'm going to solder these two. I already put some solder on there. So I'm going to solder these two. And then I'm going to put some tape around it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. So I'm going to see if I can get those two melted together. Almost. That was a pretty close one. Almost. I think I'm going to put some more on it. Let's see if that helps. I think I'm going to put some on here actually. See if that makes it easier. Doesn't want to stick there. Alright, well I got some on there. I just need to connect them. Alright. I don't know if you can see that, but so the center one is technically soldered. Okay. I tried doing liquid tape on it last time, and I'm not saying you can't use it. For some reason it didn't work, so I couldn't tell if it was interfering. Maybe it was conducting with the mesh. So I'm just going to use electrical tape. Good old tape. to pardon my nails, although to be honest, they're actually helping. Got liquid tape all over them, but so yeah, I used regular tape. So there's the centerpiece. It's been soldered, and then originally on top of this white, there's going to be like a metal foil of some kind to protect, probably like, you know, dirty electricity, or I think it's called impotence. I'm not really sure, but interference between the mesh and the center one. So, but I think this tape's gonna be fine. So now what we'll do is we'll temporarily connect these pieces of mesh, or actually, you know what, I'm not gonna temporarily, I'm just gonna kind of wrap them around like they were, and just kind of put them here, and then gonna pull on this a little bit. I think I'll solder them here too, actually. I already tested this earlier. As soon as they make contact, you can technically plug in your camera. So as soon as you plug it in, it should work. So this is for Model 3. It should also work for Model, any other Tesla models. They're all basically the same as far as camera. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but make sure you clean up your hops. I just take whatever you got. You can use sandpaper, or that way it cleans up easy. And then what we'll do is we're just gonna put a small little dab on here. That way we know it's solid. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Okay, so outside's been done. That's the mesh. It ain't pretty by any means. It ain't pretty. So we're gonna plug it in now. I'm gonna zoom out. See if I can show you how. You probably don't want to see me. Alright, so here is plug. Alright, there goes the click. I had the same problem, as you can tell, with the turn signal, pigtail. I had to figure that one. That one actually I did use some liquid, the liquid stuff. Let's see if it's a plug.